Hi, it's HardReset, and today I'll show you how to set up two SIM cards on INFINIX Note 60. So first, flip your phone, and right here on the bottom is SIM card slot. In this hole, insert something long and thin and push. Now the SIM card slot popped back. As you can see, I already have a SIM card right here, but I will take it out so I can show you. As you can see, we have two slots right here, the first one, and right here, the second one. So you can put the SIM card either in here or in here, and also you can put the two of them together. After that, just insert it back inside. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to leave a like and see you in the next one.